At the Institute of Tropical Diseases in Venezuela's capital, Caracas, doctors say they're confronting a disease they know very little about, and for which local official authorities gave no warning. Zika, the mosquito-borne virus expected to affect as many as 4 million people around the world, is being diagnosed here mainly through its symptoms: fever, joint pain, and skin rashes. For lab director Nadir Hernandez, doctors are trailing far behind the virus, and the country's dire economic situation is only bound to make things worse.
Nuestras herramientas son muy limitadas.
We have very limited tools basically because we have no reactives for diagnosis, but we also lack tubes and syringes. There's a general lack of supplies.
What many doctors in Venezuela find even more alarming is the lack of information about the Zika virus from the Ministry of Health, and what that says about the country's health system.
We are facing the perfect storm. We are in a country with a financial crisis, with severe shortages of everything, and on top of that, with an emergency. We can't manage the quotidian, let alone an emergency. The dimension of this crisis far exceeds the capabilities of the health ministry.
Despite being first reported in October, the Ministry of Health recognized the first cases of Zika only last Thursday. It puts the official number at 4,500. Doctors say that number is actually closer to 400 cases. The government has yet to address that discrepancy.
People were anticipating that Zika was going to happen. The virus has been here for at least a month. There should have been a statement from government health officials to help prevent and minimize the problem.
Officials have recently reported an exponential hike in cases of Guillain-Barré syndrome, a neurological disease possibly linked to Zika, which can lead to progressive and in some cases fatal paralysis. But doctors are saying that keeping a close tally on this syndrome is almost impossible because the Ministry of Health stopped publishing epidemiological bulletins over a year ago. Virginia Lopez, Al Jazeera, Caracas.